The following video is a video that I recorded back in 2016, and at that time, yes, I was starting to get interested in accessible technology and publicizing my thoughts on accessible technology. But I was also a wee bit busy with schoolwork at the time, given that that's when I was in my lower sixth year. And the following video that you're going to see is a video that I did in May of that year. Yes, just as an excuse to get out of studying. However, I thought I had lost it and couldn't upload it to YouTube for ages, so that is why I only, so that is why we didn't ever get to see it. However, I did upload it to Facebook, and it just recently popped up in my memories as a throwback, and I thought, why not download it and use it as something to show you the early videos that I uploaded. Just a quick warning, however, that at the time I was calling the brand Apple Technology Reviews. That was because I was and still am a very big fan of Apple and had a lot of Apple technology. However, I then decided to change the name later on just to concentrate on other brands of technology as well, so I can seem a little less biased. Yeah, although I don't really understand a lot of your choices as far as technology brands go. I guess Windows and Android platforms can also be accessible to disabled people as well, and it's worth praising whatever they do. Anyhow, that's all that I want to say. So now I hope you enjoyed the following tutorial that you are about to see. And please comment on the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more accessible technology stories like this.
Hi guys, Phoebes Lyle from Apple Technology Reviews here, and I am here with our first tutorial. This is going to be on how to download font off a MacBook, and please be aware that I am paralysed from the neck down, so that will explain why everything else is done slowly. This should be the same on every other MacBook that you can get, so please take every bit of instruction slowly. First of all, we need to click on Safari and then type in the address that the data font will be on. For this one, I'm going to be using 1001 through fonts.com, which should be coming up in a minute. When the link comes up, simply click on the link, and for this example I will be downloading Disney font because I am quite Disney mad in real life. So as you can see, there's a load of different fonts listed, and all you do is once you find out which one you want. Simply click on the name and it should come up. To see the menu, click down, and for this one I'm going to be downloading Photograph Disney. Simply click on the download button and it will go into your downloads file. Mine is at the top. I have this downloaded already, but I will show you the process so that nothing is different. Simply double click on it and this will be what comes up. So what you want to do is click on the TTF file, then that window should pop up. Simply then go to install font. This window will also come up, but it's nothing that you really need to worry about because there isn't any warning as far as I know that could damage your computer. Simply click the tick box and click install chat. That will download the font into your font book, and then everything should be already set.